warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to Carrot Cat. I'm your host and today we have a very special guest, a public figure, entrepreneur and motivation, the amazing Rina Nosek. Rina, thank you so much for joining us today.
Hi, thank you for having me. I'm really excited to be here and share some thoughts that might help people grow in their career.
That's so wonderful. Today topic is tips to success in your career. Everyone wants to know what the secret to professional success. So, Rina, let's start from the beginning. What do you think is the first way to succeed in on career?
Well, the first and most important thing is know your purpose. Many people work hard but don't really know why they are doing what they do. When you understand your purpose, you will find motivation and even on difficult days. It helps you make better career decisions and stay consistent.
That's so true. Purpose gives direction, but someone finds their purpose, what next?
The second tip is continuous learning. Never stop upgrading yourself. If the world changes fast, the new technologies, new working new ideas. If you want to stay relevant, you must keep learning.
That's a great point. I think people sometimes forget that learning does and after graduation. Now, Rina, in your journey, what's one challenge you face that helped you grow?
Oh, there are many, but one that stand out was early in my career. When I faced rejection, I was told you not ready for a position I really want. Instead of giving up, I used it as full to improve myself. And later, I got some position even higher. So, so my third tips is don't fear failure. Learn from it. Every setback for us come back.
That's powerful. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. I love that. Now, some people might feel stuck even when they work hard. What advice would you give to them?
Yes, that happen often. My advice to build strong relationship, networking is not using people. It's about connecting generally. Surround yourself with positive and inspiring individuals. They can open doors you never knew exist and help you stay consistent.
That's right. Teamwork and community are essential now for our young generation. Maybe fresh graduates or people that start out. What? What golden rules you do like them to remember?
The golden rule is simple: be professional and but stay authentic. Don't pretend to be someone else just to impress others. Your honesty, attitude, and integrity will speak louder than any little bit an achievement. And more thing, manage your time wisely. Success is not only about working hard, but also working smart.
Absolutely. Those are such familiar lessons, Tina. Before we wrap up, could you give our audience a final message or motivation?
Of course, the one is success doesn't happen overnight. Stay patient, stay focused, and believe yourself even when nobody else does. Your career in your journey, not a race. Keep working, keep learning, and one day you will look back and realize how far you have come.
Beautiful sight. Thank you so much, Tina Nose, for your time and wisdom today. I'm sure our listeners have learned a lot from your inspiring insight.
Thank you for having me. I was a pleasure talking with you.
And thank you to everyone tuning in to Carry Cats. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow us for more inspiring talks. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Jika ada kesalahan mohon dibicarakan baik-baik, bukan malah pergi mencari yang lebih baik.